this is how you match a data frame with a list of tickers. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing and starting to wrap up our series on stock market data. So today we're going to be dealing with how do we deal with this list of ticker symbols that we have. So it's these symbols, and what do we do? So we're going to really be looking at how to then take that list, then run that back through our data frame to go ahead and look at it. So right here, what I'm doing is I ran through our base list and then grabbed all the peg ratios that are below 3. So let's just look at it. Well, it's a pretty substantial list, and right now we don't know what industry they're in. We don't know them. We don't recognize them. We don't know anything about this. So we need to look at how in the world to then go ahead and match that list to the data frame to then get a data frame only containing those tickers. So it's actually a pretty cool way. And of course, Pandas has taken care of us. So first, we need to bring in our data frame. And so here it is. So, and it's this simple. It's actually very, very cool. So peg is going to be our new data frame. So peg data frame equals data frame. Then of course, just like all our other how we do. And then here's a new method we don't know. Is in, and then we pass it a list or list like object. And that's our peg list. So here we go. So then I pass that in and then close that out. There we go. So now I got my peg data frame. All right. So I've inadvertently already done this, but if you are doing this on yours, you're having things not quite match up. So that was our first new function. Now we have a second one. So you guys have seen this before where we do our max columns and we set this. But now here's a new one where we then go through and set our display width to get all, because right now if you just reran that, you're going to have a / it's going to kick this down. So what I also did is so I went through and then pulled out the symbol, company name, sector, and industry. And you could shorten this out, but then if you wanted, and what I highly recommend is you becoming very aware of, here, how about we look and see peg underscore def, then peg where peg industry, close that out, equals banks. Wrap that. Oops. Here we go. So holy moly, there's 118 banks. don't recommend you starting with banks. But basically everything is beat down right now in this day and time. And then I also recommend when you're doing this, go ahead and actually throw the pickle. Here, we'll do this. So we already have this one here. So I actually recommend making sure you have that. So your symbols, and then also, did I throw this in here? It wouldn't be a bad idea to have this right there, and then also just go ahead and pickle it. And then also when you're done with this, because you don't want to accidentally close out your shell, is that to then pickle your peg list. So copy that and change this to peg underscore 5 underscore 20, and change this to, should be peg. So there we are, because you don't want this sitting in memory over here and you do something to it and forget it. So you can go back and save these and pull this up and compare, because that's really what it is. You want to see the change in the movement. But this is how you match a data frame with a list of tickers. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.